This one here, it looks like the door is a little lower than it should be. We'd have to double check that later on. The headlights also don't align perfectly. It's just not the way it should be. The way the bumper is hitting the front panel, and also here, it's not even. It's not smooth, where this is popping out, this is popped in. So again, here too. So they did a poor job putting the car together. And so the objective here will be to document all these issues with the vehicle, make a claim with Tesla, and demand that they buy back this car. If they refuse, then we'll file a lawsuit and force them to buy it back. And of course, again, under the consumer protection laws, the consumers are entitled to recover their actual damages, plus attorney's fees and costs, and in some circumstances, we're able to recover either civil penalties or punitive damages, which is additional money in order to make the client whole, but also to force the wrongdoer to stop doing this, to stop that kind of conduct in the future.